Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Inverse Finance Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through short and long position to get benefits even for bearish markets. Of course, we are going to have many more altcoins in the manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see INV. So, Inverse Finance right here, 422. We approached almost 426 on Coinbase USD, right? In USD pair right here. What are we going to do next? What is the next price target? I want you to be extremely careful. First of all, let's remove all the drawings. We are going back to the risk metrics. And right now you can see that the RSI is approaching the 90s. Whenever the RSI on the 4-hour frame is approaching the 90s, you should be extremely careful. This doesn't mean that we cannot go further higher. It means that you should be careful, and with the commodity channel index going up higher and being in such an overbought situation, we can grow potentially even more, but we can have also a major and very fast correction going on. So what do we have on the daily frame? On the daily frame, we are on the 50-day exponential moving average just being formed right here on Coinbase. You can see that, and we have a high risk due to the fact that we have also the 50-day EMA. Yes, it pumped very good. It had plus 32% and plus 34 today, but you have to be extremely careful from now on. Okay. So we are going to give the next targets, and we are going to possibly going to see if we can actually achieve them. So what I'm going to do right now, because you can see that the part right here, the price action of Inverse Finance is going all the way down. We do not have a key point where we can draw the Fibonacci retracement. Maybe the best key point would be here. So we are going to draw our first one. All right. And we are going to draw more of a short term. So right here, there we go. I'm going just to get it a little bit back to the downside. There we go. Okay, and we have the 372 that if we do not close above the 372, we will find a major rejection. I am just telling you that. On the 4-hour frame, this means the 4-hour frame body of the candlestick has to close above the 372. If we do not do that, then we are going down. Next stop would be the 467. Can we manage to do that? Let's just draw another tool, the Fibonacci retracement, this time from this bottom up all the way to the top that we had the little sell pressure. You can see that it is also the minus 0.618, very close to the target rate here. So yes, we could eventually be going all the way up to this area and then we correct. But I want you to be careful because you might get trapped into a price action where afterwards we will be going down, and therefore if you do not put a stop loss, you will end up losing your money. That's right. Okay, what you need to avoid in this kind of situations and in this kind of price pumps is that you want always to put stop loss. So if you decide to pump and you're willing to risk your position, then you should be putting always a very tight stop loss. On the 1-hour frame right here, of course, we have a crazy overbought situation. We will be forming a bearish RSI divergence with lower highs on the RSI and therefore higher highs in the price, and maybe we will be going further down. So I want you to be very careful on the very short term as well. On the daily frame, things are looking good, although the daily commodity channel index is in an extreme overbought, but on the daily RSI we can potentially grow even more. But pay attention to the targets we talked about. So in order to make a little bit of a sum up of what we said is, if we close above the 372, then we have kind of some chances to go back into 457 and 465. If we do not, then we are going to find correction. You can see the volume here is increasing rapidly, and I would say that it is a great area to sell around here if we are about to close to cross above the 372. But whenever it is the case, we have a great risk, a very huge risk. So you have to be extremely careful. I will repeat that. You have to be extremely careful. It is possible that we achieve these targets with this high volume that we have, but you are getting into a position where you have a very high risk. If you bought from lower prices, then you just can wait, right? You just can wait. You do not have to worry about anything, but if you want to get in right now or you have bought near the top right here, then I suggest you that you should be having a very strict stop loss around the price area that you bought. For example, you can have a stop loss around 378 or a stop loss at 372 Tether USD, right? So potentially, if we achieve this target right here, you will get your stop loss triggered, but you won't have to worry about anything after, because this can give us very huge anxiety right there. And these altcoins that pump so much, they are very good into taking some quick profits, but they are also very dangerous. Okay, so I will repeat that. Be careful and very much. The price targets that we should be paying attention to are 457, 465, around there as well. And we need to close on the 4-hour frame above the 372 to 73. If we do not do that, be prepared for a correction towards the 329, 300 Tether USD, and so on. So I'm putting these price labels over here as well for the next support levels. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.